The Sonos Playbar is an incredibly good addition and a good start point for feeling a theatrical sound right in your home. The Playbar does a pretty good job in delivering a virtual surround effect, which makes it an ideal option for pairing it with Sonos speakers, so you can enjoy your time during watching your favorite TV shows, series and movies. But what makes it so special and a must-have? Let's get started and straight to the point. From a design perspective, the Sonos Playbar measures 3.35 inches in height, 35 inches in width and 5.51 inches in depth. It weighs around 12 pounds or 5 kilograms, which makes it lightweight but also mobile, so you can place it anywhere you want without putting in much effort. The Playbar itself looks really premium and luxurious because of its sleek super slim profile, which makes it a great addition for placing it under your TV or even mounting it on your wall thanks to the keyhole bracket placed at the back. The aluminum and the black speaker mesh detailings are strongly accenting its mightiness, so it sounds as good as it looks. Sonos isn't really perfect when it comes to the connectivity ports, since their products do not feature plenty of them, and the same thing is with the Playbar. This device has two internet ports, of which the first is meant for connecting to the Playbar to a wired home network, while the second is used for sharing a wireless control, so you shouldn't worry about anything. There is also one optical audio input and a power port, so Sonos succeeded in their intention to equip you with a fair amount of connectivities while keeping it as simple as possible like they always do. Inside the Playbar, there are 9 perfectly tuned Class D digital amplifiers, 3 tweeters, 6 mid-woofers, and they are the ones that are responsible for delivering the quality sound. To be more precise, the digital amplifiers are perfectly tuned for matching the 9 digital speaker drives, while the integrated 3 tweeters deliver stunning high-frequency responses. In addition, the 6 mid-woofers are really strong components since they are responsible for distributing a full range of sound from the left, right and the center channels. The woofers are also a great addition because they work closely together to ensure that everything displayed on the screen matches the delivered sound consistently and properly. Now, let's move into the next section where I will describe briefly about its features and performance. The Sonos Playbar is extremely easy to plug it in, but setting it up is a bit more complicated because, in order to use it wirelessly, you'll have to additionally purchase a Sonos Bridge, which performs as an entry point for your home wireless network. But either way, technically it performs wirelessly. I suggest you download the Sonos app, which works really well due to its intuitive interface, which will ease your navigation while switching between menus. This application integrates many wireless music services like Napster, Spotify and TV audio, so regardless if you're an Android or iOS user, you can enjoy the benefits provided by this application. The Sonos Controller app will also let you search and browse for songs, stations, and since it isn't tied to one specific player, you can also use it for controlling the music and the volume in every room of your home. This Playbar itself has an IR sensor which has a built-in repeater, so it works with nearly all universal remotes, cable boxes and TVs. Basically, you can control the volume without needing a controller, which makes your user experience more convenient. Moreover, the Playbar boasts 2 unique features which ensure an incredible home theater experience. The first is known as the night sound, and this feature, as the name states, is aimed at those who prefer watching TV at night without waking up the neighbors. The sound of dialogues, explosions and certain high frequencies are lowered only in their loudness without affecting the quality, so you can hear everything clearly. The second feature, known as speech enhancement, works in a similar fashion, such as lowering the amount of bass, adding some gain to the center channel and reducing certain frequency ranges. The final output is a soft and rich dialogue that sounds extremely gentle and accurate. I want to also mention that you can enhance your listening experience even more by pairing 2 speakers and a sub for having a 5.1 surround system, which makes everything more enjoyable since the Playbar itself is a 3.0 system. As a Sonos Play 5 speaker, this device is also really consistent in delivering a distortion-free audio even if you max out the volume, so that's a pretty good thing. This means that the audio quality will remain fully ranged and bass heavy, so you can enjoy your time with it. But that's not all. The Playbar is capable enough to decode all of the Dolby Digital soundtracks, but unfortunately it doesn't support DTS. I will leave this up to you to decide if we can consider it as a drawback or not, but either way, I really like its performance. I must applaud Sonos because of the included driver setup, which performs unbelievably well in the distribution of a wide and detailed sound. According to Sonos, if you position the soundbar upright, the sound will be greater and can easily fill a room, so if you call your friends for a movie time, they wouldn't be able to recognize if the audio does really come from a soundbar or a speaker. To conclude, the Sonos Playbar would be definitely an ideal addition to your existing home theater setup or a start point for creating a home theater. I would also suggest you to get a pair of Sonos Play 5 speakers if you want to experience the best possible audio sound, which expands the borders of how should a home theater setup sound like. That's why you should take the Sonos Playbar into serious consideration, and if you ever decide to buy it, this soundbar will ensure long movie hours filled with an incredibly defined audio. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the prices and more information about this playbar, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.